Our fourth topic is called the number series. What is the difference between sequence of numbers u1, u2, and so on, un, and number series? If we join members of number sequence by addition sign, this expression is called number series, and we may denote it by sigma I from 1 to infinity of un. And such un we call a common member of number series. Let's consider such a case. Here, our number series is given by its common member, which is equal to this expression. So, how to find its first member? To find its first member, we have to substitute unit instead of n. Unit squared is unit. Unit plus unit is 2. That's why here first member of this number series is equal to 1/2. When we substitute 2, 2 minus 1 gives us 1, and that's why here we have negative sign, because negative 1 of first degree is equal to negative 1. 2 squared gives us 4, 2 plus 1 gives us 3, 4 multiplied by 3 gives us 12. When we substitute 4, not 4 but 3, 3 squared gives us 9, 3 plus 1 gives us 4. 9 multiplied by 4 is equal to 36. And 3 minus 1 gives us even number. That's why negative sign becomes positive. So we may consider sums of such number series. Its first sum is equal to its first member. Its second sum is equal to the sum of first and second members, and its nth partial sum is equal to the sum of the first n members. So such sequence is also numerical sequence. So if it exists such limit of such partial sums, we may denote it by s, and our number series has such limit s, and we may say that it's called convergent. If such s does not exist or equal to infinity, we may say that this number series is divergent. When we have to explore the convergence of geometric series consisting of members of geometrical progression, then we may consider separately different cases. We know that partial sum of such geometrical series is equal to this, and first case, when absolute value of q is less than unit, in this case limit of this powered qn is equal to 0. It means that limit of Sn when n tends to infinity is equal to negative a divided by q minus 1. In the case of absolute value of q is greater than 1, limit of Sn is equal to infinity, so the series is divergent. In the case of q is equal to unit, we have infinite sum of a's. So n times a's when n tends to infinity gives us infinity. So when q is equal to 1, a series is divergent. When q is equal to negative 1, our series looks like this: a minus a plus a minus a, and so on. So if we have even number of a's, then a minus a gives us 0. When we have odd numbers of a's, then Sn is equal to a. So it means that limit of such Sn does not exist, and a series is divergent. It means that the geometric series converges when modulus of q is less than 1 and diverges when modulus of q is greater than or equal to unit.